So this is my way of celebrating y'all and saying I appreciate you for having faith in me, and I want you to wear this with proudness.
Thank you.
The second person, he reached some crazy numbers trading Bitcoin. That's why I call him Bitcoin Kid. Top Money Man is one of the fastest learners of the 120 Dreamers, and I mean that. Most people don't know this, but me and Reno met doing network marketing years. So we was brought together by a brother named Duro YG, and me and him been kicking it ever since. So this guy right here knew me since I was little. We was playing in his dad's gym. He took a faith to get down the 120 challenge. All right, last but not least, growing up in the neighborhood, inspiring us through sports, keeping us out of trouble, I want to bring Juice to the stage.